Good morning, namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing pretty well on Thursday morning. Let me see all the possible levels on the daily chart of Nifty 50. Yes, there is a steep resistance, not resistance support level, which is coming at 18,38,000 rupees. Talking about Nifty 50, I don't think so it will fall below than, let's see, a possible 38,900. I don't think so it will go lower. This looks like a decent support level to buy on reversal. 38,900. Is today a holiday or what? No, market is, there's still one more, there is one more minute to go. I thought today is holiday. Sometimes I am so lost that I forget to check that there is a trading holiday or not. So we still, yes, everything has started. Let me see where. Oh, so at the same level, there is hardly any gap up or gap down opening. So today will be that day where buyers will have the opportunity to take a trade. They outline levels before the opening range, and as the today's session opened just around the close from yesterday's session, it will be very, they will stand in a very good stead to take a trade. So here I'm looking at 38,200 rupees. There is a sort of channel pattern which is being formed rather. Let me see anything I can see. So 38,200 rupees. So there is a gap over here which is at 38,395. So that will be our buying level, 38,200 rupees. Let me outline all the levels and buy Bank Nifty. We'll do a half and half, half 50 rupees, 38,200. Once again, I am really looking at this level. Target is 50-50, is 50, and stop loss is 50 rupees as well. I'm expecting stock price to at least go above 38,300 rupees. I was in daily chart. Let me see. Not daily chart, hourly chart. So here we have a gap. So 38,400. 38,400 is a possibility. I have seen this particular price action being repeated again and again throughout a long time period. So price has gone 38,133. We are looking at 200 rupees. There is a gap at 400. Let's see what happens. Price is really testing. As you can see, I'll explain you my analysis. So here, this was a fake out, not a breakout. Again, price came. This is another fake out, but it was in form of a W pattern. So we were in a very good state around 30. 8,000. We could have bought at 38,000 and sold at this resistance level at 38,000. What is it? 135 to 38,100 rupees or whatever. Similarly, again, the low is not tested, so there is a bit of bullishness going on. Let's see what really transpires over the course of next 15 to 20 minutes, because if the breakout happens, we might see a lot of encouragement for buyers, because as we know, if we start off a day on a very good note, our entire day goes amazing. So similarly, if buyers can break the barrier of 38,200 rupees early on in the session, they can ride it out till how long they want. And there is also possibility of a huge momentum. I am going to I'm going to wait out. I'm not going to rush. It's really slow. Let me see after 2:30, 15 minutes candle to yesterday's session. I closed my stream around 9:30. So where is the opening range for yesterday? What was it? 19. So where is 19? Somewhere here. 8 again 18. Oh, this one 19. Yes, this one 19. So there was hardly anything in yesterday's session. This was a pretty good session. So if I go to daily chart, let me see. So day before yesterday there was a decent range. Yesterday's session was far from being momentous. It was a range bound session. So today probably, yeah, one thing we have to remember, today is a weekly expiry. So buyers and sellers, they mark support and resistance level and they play within lower and upper bound. So here at a resistance level, option sellers will come into picture. They will sell. Which option they will sell at a resistance level if they think that price is not going to break out of it? They will sell buy option or sell option. Tell me. They will sell call option. So at support level, they will sell put option. So that's how it happens. So likely range for today's session, this one, this 38,800, and here I see around 37,800. So we have 1,000 rupees to play with. And if we go to 5-minute chart, we can also chalk out levels over here. So we have to mark levels across time frames, and depending upon the price action, you can book smaller target. You can also choose to wait out and go and ride a big momentum. You should always go with what you feel and whether you feel comfortable or not. A strategy employed by me might not be suitable for each and every person. You have to decide for yourself and how that will come. It will come once you start doing analysis, you start taking trade and see how your mental sanity is impacted when you take a 15-minute trade. For example, your trade is executed and squared off for 15 minutes, maybe for 1 hour, 2 hours. There is a swing trade which lasted for 5 to 6 trading sessions. So you have to note it down. Which stocks are you comfortable in? Are you comfortable in trading stocks which are about 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, 100 rupees? Is there any range? So that will come with experience. But the most important thing is, do not buy it more than you can chew. That this principle is going to stay forever, and this has to be base. And over this principle, you can add your own set of rules. This is a principle which is common for all traders. When you try to fiddle with it, you will go down the drain. I don't see anything happening. It's just going up and down. I'll go to 1 minute chart. See, I have marked a very good horizontal support and resistance level. So price was testing here 915. Let me go and check out. Sorry, what is this? So this is 38,133. Yeah. So here we could have sold. I forgot that today is an option weekly expiry. Could have sold here. Price scheme may come around here. So there are different opportunities are plenty, and those opportunities can be encashed if you do prior analysis. It doesn't have to be hours. It can be 10 to 15 minutes, because once you start reading and analyzing charts, the more days you spend, your conscious mind start to understand the patterns in the price action more easily and quickly. So you will see, when you start technical analysis on day 1 as opposed to day 30, you are going to go at a very faster pace, and more importantly, at the accuracy will be increased as well. So if you want to get expert or you want to improve in certain things, try and doing it on regular basis. You will see some sort of difference. Some people might notice a difference in a few days. For some people, it might take weeks or months. Do not compare yourself with others. You are your own benchmark, and that's how it should be all the time, and for all the things, not just trading. I am going to shut out right now. We'll meet in tomorrow's session. It seems that this range which I have marked is getting respected a lot. Price is moving inside, going higher, coming down. So that seems like a theme for today's session. I'm going to sign it off. We will meet in tomorrow's session.